Namaskar. My name is Jyotirmay and today I will show you how to install Zoom to your Android phone. You have already registered for the online meditation, Namaskar, beginners meditation group, and if not, you can do it now by clicking on the link below and giving your name and an email address and a phone number, and after that you will receive a Zoom link. So now I will show you how to proceed after you click on that Zoom link. I'm coming closer so that you can see what I'm doing here. So this is the link. This is one Zoom link. It will look different, but it's similar. So you go onto that and then you will go to the internet, and then you will be asked if you want to install Zoom via Google Play or Zoom. So I will show with the Zoom. So now you would say download again, and now it's downloading, and after downloading you go to these files on your phone and to downloads, and then you will have this icon, and you go on that icon and it will ask if you want to install. So you say install. Just a little. Now we're finished, and now you go again to this Zoom link that you received, and now you will have this button that you can open it with Zoom. So now you're already in the meeting for the meditation, and now you have to put your name. I'm putting my name right now, Jyotirmay Breitling. So okay, then you say okay, and now you have to agree that Zoom, the conditions of this program. And now it's connecting to this platform, to this meeting, and now you have to allow that this program is using your microphone. And now, this is important, you still have to go here to call via internet, or Anruf über Internet in German. So now it is ready. So you are in the meeting now. And now if you want to say something, you can talk now because the microphone is on. But if the microphone is off, you have to turn it on here, down here. And if you want to be seen, you have to allow again that camera is used. And now you see yourself on the screen, like you see now. I see myself, and that will also be the picture that you will have. And if somebody else is talking and giving some information, make sure that the microphone is turned off, because otherwise it will disturb. Okay. Yeah, that was already everything. So I hope you managed, and if you don't manage, you can put the question in the comments and I will help you there. So I will see you 15th October at 2020, when the meditation starts at 6 p.m. in the evening. I'm looking forward to meeting you there. Namaskar.